In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to add driver's license to Apple Wallet Australia and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, Apple officially introduced the option to add driver's licenses directly into the Apple Wallet. This allows you to manage your personal information and, of course, add your ID directly to your wallet, where you can see it alongside credit cards, transit cards, and so on. Now, you might be curious how you can do this yourself. If you try going over to the Apple Wallet and you tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, even though you can find many options like credit cards, debit cards, transit cards, and such, you will not be able to find the option to add your ID or a driver's license anywhere. So as it stands today, how do you actually do this? Do you have to update the Apple Wallet to the latest version? Do you have to go into some sort of beta? Or do you have to do this process manually? Well, the actual answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, it is impossible for Australia citizens to add their driver's license into Apple Wallet. This is because the feature is limited to only some US states. So as it stands today, you will not be able to add your driver's license to an Apple Wallet if you are located outside of the US. It is extremely unfortunate, but Apple works slow. They have said in the past that they are going to expand the availability of this feature, but as it stands today, during the time that I'm recording this video, it is completely impossible. There is no known workaround to this, and unless Apple themselves brings this feature to other regions around the world, you will not be able to make use of this and add your driver's license to the Apple Wallet. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using this feature and how it is only available to some participating US states. In the future, if they expand the availability, you simply have to follow the same steps that I described and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to add driver's license to Apple Wallet Australia. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.